Late last night, we got a knock at the door, followed up by someone ringing our doorbell. No one was there. We should see if we can find the footage of who doorbell ditched us. Okay, we gotta be kind of sneaky about this. It's during the daylight. Late last night, we got a knock at the door, followed up by someone ringing our doorbell. And when we went to go answer it, no one was there, right? Who was it? We looked from one side to the next and we didn't see anyone. But then when we looked down, what did we see? Someone had left us this treat.
They booed us.
They booed us. They doorbell ditched us first. And then when we looked down, we saw this. Found out they brought us a little Halloween treat. So what we have to do with this is we have to pick 2 people to do it for. And we looked up and down our street and we saw a couple of houses that didn't get it yet. So we're going to go to the store and pick out some treats. And the 2 houses that we picked have little girls in each house. 1 little girl, and then the rest are adults. So we're gonna pick out something fun, huh? Are you guys ready to go in the store and pick out some prizes for our doorbell ditching? Okay. All right, we just got back from the store and this is our loot. We got these 2 cute little buckets and we put some confetti in there. Then we're gonna give them some Reese's peanut butter cups. And like I said, there's 2 little girls in each, 1 girl in each house, 2 little girls. So we got these cute little Halloween bags and these cute little pumpkins. And then they get to in turn do the same thing. So we're gonna put these buckets together. And then you guys, we get to do the same thing that they did to us. We get to go, well, they didn't do it to us, but someone else did, right? So we get to knock on their door and run really quick so they can't catch us and leave their treat on the door. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Is that gonna be fun? We should see if we can find the footage of who doorbell ditched us. Do you wanna see if we can find it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll look for it. And if we can find it, then we gotta plan our little plan tonight. Go and sneak up to their door, ring it. Both of the houses, they live on the corner, so it's gonna be really easy to go run around the corner and them to not see us. So I'm just gonna put one of these together real quick. We already put one of the little unicorn wands in there. And just throw these other treats in there.
Did somebody leave us Oreos?
Yes. Was that a good treat?
Yeah, that was so nice of them.
That was so nice. We're gonna see if we can watch the footage and find out who did it. You can't get away with doorbell ditching these days because a lot of people have cameras. And then when you look on the footage of your camera, you can find out who did it. So hopefully the people we do it to, they don't have a camera too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we?
We do. So this is our cute little bucket put together. Okay, should we go do this? Let's put your costume on. This pretty little princess had a bad tummy ache this morning, didn't you? You feeling better now?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Did you have a tummy ache, princess? All right, buddy, you ready to complete this mission? Okay, here's the goods. So do you want to carry those or do you want to hold Izzy's leash?
I'm gonna carry this.
Okay, come on, let's go. We gotta be sneaky about it. This way. Let's go. So the neighbor dog decided to follow us, join in on the fun. He probably smells the chocolate. Jet, no chocolate. Okay, we gotta be kind of sneaky about this. It's during the daylight. So we're just gonna go around this corner. Jet, no. Jet. Okay, so the worst timing ever. Literally, as soon as we get to their house,
They pull up.
the pizza delivery guy comes. Not only that, but then our neighbor's dog followed us the whole way. So we have Izzy, Jet, and the pizza delivery guy. We have to sit here and just be quiet. Huh? The great thing about this is we know they're home, right? We know they're home. So we'll wait for the pizza guy to go and then we'll go. Give me the one, so we'll just leave it here. Brooklyn, go ahead. Go to the front door. Go ahead. And then Brooklyn, run around here. Ring their doorbell. Ring the doorbell. Run. Lincoln, come here. Shh. Come here, over here. Hide. You heard him say hello. Okay, good. Jet, you have not made this any easier. Okay, just give it a few minutes and we'll go to the next house.
Can I do the next house?
Yes. Kind of tricky because they could be looking out their windows and it's daylight, but we had to do it during the daylight. Are you guys ready to go to the next house? Okay, it's the house just right across the street. So let's hurry. Listen to me. So we're gonna go do it and I'll be waiting over here. We'll just keep running, okay? Okay, so come on. Hurry, go do it. Okay, ring the doorbell, okay? Run, Lincoln, run. Run. Lincoln. Run, Jet. Run. Stand up. Do you think they saw? Do you think they saw us? Okay, come on, run. How do you think that went, Brooklyn? Oh, Jet, he wants to kiss Izzy so bad. Look, Jet. Oh, this is kind of crazy, huh? How was that?
Good.
It's funny, huh? And this is what I'm dealing with. Jet. Okay. Hey, Jet. That dog loves us, right? He came with us, and then he just came over here to try to close out the vlog with us. Was that kind of a funny little thing we did? It's almost Halloween. We're getting really close.
13 days.
Are you excited, Lincoln?
Yeah.
Are you, Brooklyn?
I'm so excited.
What are you guys most excited about?
Haunted house.
Haunted house. We need to go get some pumpkins. That's the next thing we gotta go do.
Pumpkin patch.
At a pumpkin patch, and we need to carve them.
Monday.
And then we can put them on our porch. Make jack-o'-lanterns.
And then we can go to people's houses and say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Yeah. Since it's Halloween.
Now you say to them, trick or treat.
Smell my feet.
Would you give them, if they said to you, okay, I want you to give me a trick, what trick would you do?
I would do the worm.
Oh, that's a good trick. Go do the worm now.
Okay.
You guys get to go over and do the zip line in our neighbor's yard, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for coming with us to do our fun little Halloween prank. And
Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and click that notification. Bye.
bye.